Alright guys, today we're doing a review of Mary's Organic Original Crackers here. These are gluten-free, check this out. And here is the side panel. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. Here's the back. Okay, so here's the nutrient panel, but what's in it? It's brown rice, quinoa, flax seeds, sesame seeds, some soybeans, so be aware of that. So let's do a quick taste test. Okay, so this is what they look like. They almost look like those traditional rice crackers, but more heartier. So let's do a quick taste test. So they're definitely more heartier, more nuts and seeds. It really tastes just like sesame seeds and a lot of seeds. Crispy wise, they're regular, almost crispy like a rice cracker. Really bland. There's no salt whatsoever. These crackers are super bland. You're gonna need some dip or something like that, but yeah, they're extremely bland. And it tastes like sesame seeds, pretty much. Alright guys, if you have questions or comments, please subscribe to the channel.